This is Sherilyn Hoffman with eXp Realty, and now I am checking out Crescent Lakes, built by Meritage. We're going to go and check out their first model called the Canary. It's a 30-foot wide home and it has 3 bedrooms. It's about 1,400 square feet, starting in the high 360s to 370s. Stay tuned to the end so that you can go ahead and call me anytime for more information. Please call me at 931-436-3552. Remember to like and subscribe so you can see all the latest models coming out in Babcock Ranch and other Southwest Florida communities. Thank you for watching.